Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Grace here. As you can see, I'm outside today. I thought it was such a beautiful day, and this week we are learning about Earth Day, and so what better place than to be outside showing you this lesson today. All right, so we're gonna read a book called The Earth Book, and it's by Todd Parr. It's a pretty quick read, so it won't take us too long today, but as we go through, I really want you to be thinking about the little things that you can do to help take care of the earth. So there are so many things that we can do that really have a huge impact on our earth and how we can keep it safe and clean for years and years to come. So your job today is to be looking for those things that you can do. After you're done reading, if your parents have printed this off for you or you have picked up your packet from school, you're going to be asked to come up with one little thing that you can do that will have a big impact on the earth, okay? So below you're gonna draw a picture here, and then you're gonna write a sentence. I can, this helps the earth, So you're gonna get lots of ideas from this book, and I bet some of them, or all of them, you are already doing. So let's take a look and see what we find out. Okay, The Earth Book. I take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. You know, the earth is such a big, huge thing that sometimes it might feel like we have to do really big things to make a difference, but we don't. It's all the little things that add up to the big things that help take care of our earth. I use both sides of the paper and bring my own bags to the market. So I want you to think right now if that's something that you might already be doing. Do you try to use both sides of the paper? Think about how that helps our earth. Yeah, if we use both sides of the paper, we're using less paper, which saves trees. Less trees have to be cut down to make paper. So that's something small that everyone can be doing. So it says, and I bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees. And I want the owls to have a place to live. So the author has already given us two simple things that we can do to help the trees, which helps the earth. I turn off the faucet while I brush my teeth and use less water for my baths because think about what might happen on the next page. So if they turn off the faucet and use less water, how is that going to help our earth? Let's find out. I love the fish. And I want the oceans to stay blue. My dogs are right here trying to play. Hopefully they don't knock over my camera. Okay. So by using less water, we're helping the fish and we're helping the ocean to stay blue. I take the school bus and ride my bike because, how does taking the school bus and riding our bike help our earth? I love the stars and I want the air to be clear so I can see them sparkle. So let's think, that's something that we can do if we take the bus or if we ride our bike somewhere, if we're going somewhere that's close enough instead of riding in our car, then we're helping with air pollution. We're polluting less so we can see those beautiful stars at night. I try to eat every bite on my plate and I save my leftovers because I love watching things grow and I want there to be enough food for everyone. My puppy's playing. Oops. I remember to turn off the lights and to shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears and I want the snowmen to stay cool. I throw garbage in the trash can and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic. This might be reminding you of our recycle poem if you've already watched that video for this week. So there are lots of things that we can do to recycle and reuse things. That's really helpful because I love to walk barefoot in the grass and I don't want to move to Mars. So by picking up garbage, then we know that our feet are staying clean. When we're outside, we're not worried about stepping on glass and other things. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. Every one of us can help protect the earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Love, Todd. So boys and girls, this book gave us lots of ideas of things that we can do to help keep our earth clean and healthy and safe for everyone in years to come. This wind is blowing my hair like crazy. Anyways, your job now is to think of one of those things that you can do that will help to take care of the earth. Okay, so again, on your printable that you got from your parents or from your packet at school, you will need to draw a picture and then write about one of those things that you can do. If you want to share that picture and your story with your teacher, you can send them an email or send them a picture of your work. We'd love to see what you're doing. And remember, it only takes something little to make a big difference in our world. Enjoy learning about Earth Day and recycling and all the fun activities that your teachers have planned for you. Have a great week. Happy Earth Day!